Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add contact form 7 to WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type contact form 7 and press Enter. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. This simple process takes just a few moments, setting the foundation for your new contact forms. Once contact form 7 is active, you will notice a new contact menu item on your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and then select Add New to start building your very first form. You can easily customize the default fields, adding or removing elements like name, email address, subject line, and message area. This allows you to tailor the form to collect precisely the information you need from your visitors. Next, it is crucial to configure your form settings. Navigate to the Mail tab to ensure all submissions are sent to the correct email address. You can also customize the messages users receive, such as a thank you after submission or an error notification. For added security and to combat unwanted spam, consider integrating a reCAPTCHA service, which is a straightforward process within the plugin settings. Finally, it is time to display your contact form on your website. After saving your form, you will see a unique shortcode. Simply copy this shortcode. Then, navigate to the page or post where you wish the form to appear and paste the shortcode directly into the content editor. Update or publish your page, and your fully functional contact form will be live, ready to receive messages from your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.